That's a nice hit. Fuck. So we are heading to Jordi.
Nice shot.
Because he knows about the stadium survivor who can ID us. And we don't want that to happen.
Are you sure about that?
The pizza guy. It's interesting. Not the pizza guy.
Jordi can be a pain to work with. He's the devil I know. Things were different. I might be hunting him down. Or vice versa. But if he says we got a problem, I need to take it as a massive understatement. Can't let the survivor ID me. Everything's gonna spiral out of control.
So we have to reach that point. Up there. And how do I do that exactly? No. Can I go up here? No. I can't climb, obviously. Yes, I can. That was easy.
What?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's Jordi.
Oh, fuck. Jordi, who are they?
Well, they live here.
What happened?
Well, security in these buildings is pretty tight. So people like this feel nice and secure living way up here. I mean, these people just had a simple chain lock on their door. I guess they want to have a good look at the pizza guy before they open it all the way.
All right, fine, sure. So about this problem.
Well, that's why I brought the bolt cutters. He opens the door this much, there's a chain right there. I slip him in and snip, and guess what? It's not the pizza guy.
Jordi, the problem. Let's deal with it.
We are dealing with it. We're in the midst of solutions here, Pierce. You don't appreciate what I do for you. You don't realize how much I take care of you, do you?
Really?
Yeah.
Well, do me a favor. Let's get on with it. How much time do we have?
Not as much as we need. Oh, you remember the stiff from the stadium? He's not so stiff anymore. The cops got him in Chicago lockup, and oh, he's about to walk into an interrogation and point a finger right at you.
How did that happen?
Kick me when I'm down. Look at the view. See there?
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.
Call went out this morning. Somebody's paying buku bucks to grab this clown and make him talk. And one of those guys is running the assignment.
Well, it seems like me and him need to have a little chat.
Yeah, but this time, don't do that empty gun thing. Poor Maurice pissed himself after your last show.
Don't worry about my methods. You know how to use that thing?
Just get your ass down there, I got you covered. And don't kill the boss this time. You kinda need him.
You think?
Let's make this quick, okay? My balcony hosts are moaning, and that stuff gives me migraines. I get a migraine, Pierce. I am useless to you.
You think you're the only one who wants this quick?
How should I know what you want?
Not big on empathy, are you?
Not particularly.
What's up with this fixer contract? What are they looking for?
You? Somebody wants to vigilante big time. They're about to fake a prisoner transfer to bust out the one witness who can ID you. I've never seen them gather up this kind of manpower, though.
You know, I'll try and stop them. Listen, the witness knows my face. If the fixers reach him, if my name gets out there, he'll come after my family.
Ah, the F word. You're too sentimental, Pierce. That's a weakness. Somebody's gonna play that against you someday. I'll cover you where I can, but I can't see everybody. All right, let's do this.
Alright. Oh shit. Shit.
Help here, can't see.
That is one. I just need my...
Bruh.
Ow!
Explosive detected. Nice.
Okay, don't panic. There's gotta be a disarm sequence.
No, there isn't. Does he have an explosive? Oh, hell yeah.
I got this,
He
I
has.
got this. Don't come close.
Come on. Don't throw it out.
Bruh.
Shit, man.
Baba Booey.
Oh, that's a blackout. That's a headshot.
Another one.
Oh fuck. Get covered here. Shit, no, corner.
I've got better things. I saw movement. Moving to investigate.
Another one.
What's going on?
Another one.
Surprise,
There we go.
motherfucker!
Nice.
I'm betting the boss is inside.
Plays
that
layman.
office.
Not anymore. That's the line we're looking for. There we go. And we are inside. Right? What the
He's all yours.
Hold on. Stop.
Who's assigned to the prison job?
What? Man, I don't know what you're talking about.
Lance Brenner. As a family,
What are you doing?
I'm asking you how your family is. Looks like you got two lives going at once, family man. Yeah, the kids are gonna be in college soon. It's pricey for a union rep.
Fuck you.
Yeah, and there's also the second life. Ghost accounts with a lot of money in them. Hey. Do you know that your name is tied to a whole bunch of cold cases? I bet the cops would love a chat.
Okay, hold on. You want a piece of the cash? I can cut you in.
You're wasting my time.
All right. Fuck. Prison job. It's Angelo Tucci. He's running a convoy. It's too late. You'll never find him.
Who says I want him? Bet he's got a family in town.
Why do you want his family? The fuck is wrong with you?
I wouldn't know where to begin.
Wake up, there's more fixtures incoming. Remember Gander.
Shit indeed.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Come on, what the hell? That's a headshot though. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go. Sorry guys. Shit.
Always gotta do things the hard way.
Kill all fixers or escape.
We go again.
Well, I could escape, but that's not fun. Dying isn't fun either. Shit. That's one. That's two. Shit, who's shooting?
Another one.
That's another one. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Threat eliminated. Mission complete. Nice.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Oh fuck. Who's calling the cops?
911, please state your emergency.
We need police assistance out here. Please send them as fast as
Can you hear me? I need you to stay on the
Fuck
line.
off.
Hey, you never called me back. This morning she posted about a meeting today outside the Willis Tower.
Yeah, boy. I'll call you when I'm there. May need more help.
That's cool. Alright. And that's gonna be that today. One last thing.
Oh my god! Inhuman reactions!
Bye guys.
Oh my god. Let me show you what I